Hi there, welcome back. So today I bought these accessories to safeguard my DJI 3S drone and the RC. So the problem I was seeing past 6 months, so each time when I try to place my drone inside the bag, which I got when I bought this drone. Along with this drone, I got this bag, and when I try to place this here in, the propeller's not properly sitting. So to safeguard these propellers and especially this sensor here, it is I'm a bit scary when I try to place it in the bag. It is disturbing this sensor and here. So to safeguard this, I bought one product. I will unbox it and show you. And also each time when I try to change battery for my drone, I used to place RC aside, so it is making bit scratches here each time when I put on rough surfaces. So I bought one silicone pouch for that, and also to safeguard my RC2 screen, I bought one screen guard. Okay, let us not waste our time and let me open and show you how this looks like. And these are the best products which I have selected after doing a deep search in Amazon and many online stores. Okay, let me unbox this first and show you how this is going to look like. Good. Good. Okay, this is the product and its information there. Let me unbox this quickly and show you how it looks like. Okay, here you go, guys. You can see this. So this is where the propellers it perfectly sits in, and let's try this and see how it is going to look like. So this is what I was talking. These propellers not properly sitting. You can see rashes here. Okay, let me open this first like this, and see, it's properly sitting there like that. But unfortunately we need to put these propellers here inside it. As you can see now, sorry, as you can see now, these propellers won't move anywhere. Here this knob is actually holding them like that, so that these propellers won't touch my sensor anyway. And I just have to turn around this one and properly set these propellers here like that, and you just have to lock that in just like that. Okay, as you can see, it perfectly fits to my DJI 3S, and now I'm feeling happy that this propeller is not moving out of their borders, and it is not disturbing the sensor in any way. And also it is holding this the upper side propellers as well, just like that, and it fits perfectly to my DJI Air 3S drone. And that's all about it. And now let us unbox this silicone pouch to safeguard my DJI RC2. Okay, let me unbox this one and show you how it looks like. So this is very soft. It's a silicone pouch actually. So this rest actually goes behind here, so that there won't be no more scratches, and it even do not allow to skid anymore. Okay, now let us try to place that in there and see how it looks like. Okay, that got fit very well, and I'm just moving this one here just like that. I'm sorry. Okay, as you can see here, it's perfectly sitting there, and there will be no disturbances at all. And as you can see, you have these buttons, properly populated upside, and no problems with your joystick. You can take off those joysticks and put in your place here. And you have this one too, and these two holes you can use to hold your RC2 with a tag or something like that, so that you can hold this RC2 on your neck. This is pretty cool. I love this. And now I will show you the next thing which I bought here. And this is the screen guard which I was talking to safeguard my RC2 screen. And let me unbox this one too. As you can see, this is going to perfectly fit in my RC2, I believe. Yeah. Okay, let me remove this first. See, it's so easy to remove and place back. Now you can see it's perfectly fits in there with no extra, no extra, nothing larger. It's a perfect, screen guard for your RC2. After a deep, research, I found this item on Amazon. So I'm going to place these three, products or accessories links in the description of this video. Kindly go through it, and if you really love to safeguard your drone, you definitely need these products. With my with my past experience, I'm telling you, you just go for this without any doubt. That's all from this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.